Alright, hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another unboxing, but this is from Parade. So I know, surprisingly, I'm obsessed with this store. I can't control myself. So I got excited in their Black Friday haul. This is like my third Black Friday haul from them. Look, I did needed a new set of clothes. Alright, I don't really have a lot of stuff, or if I did, I gained weight and it doesn't fit me as great. So you know, we just had to, so I don't know if they put two separate orders in one box, or this is just one order and then I may receive the next order sometime this week or the next. I don't know, we'll see. So the first thing is this huge thing, which is probably my coat. Hold on, it looks like a blanket. It doesn't say anything. Oh yeah, it's a coat and it's in the size medium. So this is from their new Teddy winter capsule, Teddy collection. So I already have the skirts they gifted me and I unboxed them, but I was like, I need the jacket, I need the coat, I need it. It's so fuzzy and warm, and it was, the original price is like $70 or $80, but on sale was like $40. I was like, you can't beat that price. And right now there's going on for $30. They lowered it, so like, yeah, take advantage of it, because it's getting cold here and I don't have warm stuff. I just have hoodies, but not like fuzzy warm stuff. Look, my ring light fell. Tripod fell. But let me fix this. Yeah, let's hope it doesn't fall. Anyway, so ooh, okay, it has this white lining. So look, I don't want to show it all because the tripod is gonna fall, but look, it's very fuzzy, soft, and warm. I just love it. So this is definitely gonna warm you up. I don't have coats whatsoever. This is gonna be like the times I want to go out and it's very cold and I want to wear a dress or something more fancy or elegant, or I don't know, something more dressy. Then I could wear this instead of a jacket that's gonna hide what you're wearing, or it's just like some more like a boss bitch. I don't want to say the cuss word, but you get what I mean. That vibe, that style, I love that aesthetic, or like the professional businesswoman kind of. But I also love like fun, chill colors, like bright designs. I go in between. I have like, or also sometimes girly, not all the time, but yeah, sometimes I do. So I have different styles. So I was like, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I'm probably not even gonna buy a coat unless it's a sale or from Parade. I don't know, I just had a feeling I'm not gonna get a chance to buy a coat. So I was like, even though I'm probably not gonna use it until probably like once or twice a year, it's better to have it just in case kind of thing. So they had this brown color and like a purple color, which I didn't get. I just got this one because I can use it every day type of thing. So obviously I got the same pattern and same color as a jacket version, because I don't have a jacket to warm me up. I just have like a jean jacket, denim jacket, a leather jacket, but those don't warm you up. What other type? Yeah, that's it, 2 jackets, but not a fuzzy warm jacket for the winter. So I was like, I had to get it. I threw that. Oh, I forgot, it comes with a thing that you can tie your waist. I forgot to show you it, but I already threw it in the bed. Oh my gosh. So look what. Oh yeah, yay, I got 2 colors of that jacket because I couldn't decide, do I want a brown one for every day or a colorful one? And I got the colorful one, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna add the brown one. I added both. I know I'm bad. I could have just gotten one, but you know what, I'm probably just gonna give the other one away so I don't feel guilty. if it fits them. If not, I'm just gonna keep it. But this is in the color, I forgot the color, winter bloom. It says right here, but you know the website says a different color. Anyways, this is in the size medium as well. So I saw people on Instagram use these, and the coat, I was like, I need it. It looks so comfortable and colorful. It looks pretty. They just have two colors, the purple and pink, which is this one, and then the brown one, which is the same color as the coat, but look, it looks so vintage. It looks like a 90s jacket, right? Or 2000s, but it looks so pretty. It's like a, right here, like a burgundy, dark purple, and then like a pinkish magenta. I don't use purple or pink, so that also caught my eye. I was like, I need more purple or pink. I don't really wear these colors, so I need to change it up. So, oh, they also had white with blue trimming, but I was like, white gets dirty, so I didn't get it. But you see how fuzzy and warm it is, and this is how it looks. It kind of curves right here in your arms, so it's not gonna feel like so dangly and loose, you know. And it comes with a collar, so if you don't like collar, don't get this. But if it's cold, you would want to cover your neck, right? Well, me, instead of wearing a scarf, you just wear this, and you can obviously zip it up or down, but this only goes in the middle. It's just for decoration mainly. It's just more like a pullover jacket, like you see, and it does come with pockets, so it's very spacious. So, oh, they connect, so you can go like this. Same like this hoodie, the pockets is the same style, and this is from Correo too. I just unboxed this last week, so yeah. It's so soft. They also sell the blanket of this material. I was like, should I get it? But I was like, no, I'm getting too excited, so I didn't get it. So yeah, it's pretty much it for this jacket. It's, wow, it's very warm. Oh, it comes with this. Oh, it's like a drawstring to make it more tighter or loose, so I think, or more fitted, or yeah. So, oh, the back is the same color. It doesn't have any design. Look, it's just a straight line in the middle, and look, at the end, it doesn't have anything in the inside, nothing. So, in case y'all are wondering, so yeah, it's pretty nice. I just want to wear it right now, but it's not that cold. It's not cold today, so when it's cold, yeah, I'm gonna use this too. Obviously, I get the brown one. Let me show you the brown one. So, brown one. Where's this again? Okay, so. But this one has an orange outline or lining, or however you call it. So the other one didn't have orange. I think it's just pink and purple. So yeah, it looks the same but a different color. This one I could use every day, but it's the same. The orange, the pop of orange here, it's even, and the zipper orange, everything's orange and brown. So, in that cream color right here. So this looks like a teddy. This is so pretty. Oh my god. So yeah, look, it's so fuzzy and warm inside, not just outside. Everything is the same material. So, and the back is the same. So pretty. So, which one's your favorite? To me, I think the purple pink one is more colorful. This one is more for neutral, everyday type of color. So, I don't know. I'd probably give this away with it. I hope I got the right size for the other person I'm gonna give it to. If not, I'm sorry. I guess I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and for this order they gave me a free hat. So obviously I had an order. I wanted a free hat, so this is the Parade logo hat. It's just black and it has Parade and it's red and white, so it feels pretty nice. Let me put it on and see if it fits. I look like Joe from that show, Netflix show. The crazy guy. I forgot how did I forget the name of the show, but yeah. It kind of fits a little weird on me. I don't know. Well, not too bad, but yeah. It does fit so. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna work out or go on a hike or go jog. Oh no, I think I have to sneeze, but I have napkins here just in case. Oh, don't look this. Wow, look. I feel cool. So it's very pretty. Oh, it comes like this. This thingy to fix it. It's not like the clip-in hats, in case y'all are wondering. And this goes for $20. I think it was on sale for like $14, $15. Or you can get it for free like I did if you spend over, I don't know if it's 50, over 30, over 70, I forgot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And the other order I ordered did not come in this huge box, so I guess it comes separately. And I ordered the other one before this one, so I hope they didn't forget. But yeah, that's basically it for this haul. Let me try on the jackets. Hold on. Okay, my freaking tripod fell below. Let me try and show you on this angle. Okay, it comes with a collar and this, and you can cover it like this, or you can wear it with this string attached and tied up like that. And it's pretty long, but not too long. And this goes around my knee, so it's pretty long. It's a coat. It's supposed to be long, so it does feel warm and fuzzy, and like it's a little bit shorter on my arms, but I have long arms. But it's okay. I'll just wear something like this underneath to cover up. I don't know, but this is more like a fancy outerwear outfit coat to wear under a dress or just anything fancy, you know what I'm saying? So this is so comfortable. I can be here all day just in this position. Anyway, so let me turn around. Never mind, you can't see the back, but it looks like that. So I'm looking at myself in the mirror here, and it looks a little bit big for me. I probably should have gotten a size small to be honest. Yeah, it looks big on me, but oh, it does have pockets. I didn't know. Look. So excuse me, I burped. So it's fuzzy and warm inside, so definitely maybe get a size lower if you're petite, maybe, because to me it kind of feels pretty big. Not lengthwise, but like the width is, I don't know, I feel, or maybe, look, I look like I'm overweight or pregnant, but this doesn't look normal. But I guess maybe without this, maybe if I wear it open, it's kind of, I don't know. If I don't wear it, I'm gonna give it away or borrow it. Let someone else borrow it for me. I don't know. But oh well. Maybe one day I'll get another one. I don't know, from a different brand. But oh, and like I mentioned, they had like the dark burgundy color of this. They only had 2 colors. They didn't even have the white one of this coat style. So you see, I feel like I look more bigger than I normally am. I don't know, but oh well, if it's gonna keep me warm, then cool. If it cares, right? I feel like I'm going to New York in the New York Times Square, right? It looks like the New Year's outfit. Anyways, so yeah, the only thing I didn't really like is that, oh, this arm is longer than this one. What? I'm barely noticing, because like, what? Okay, I just learned something new about myself. Okay, so this arm is longer. This is my left. Okay, that's interesting. Anyways, I wish it was a little bit longer from the sleeves, but it's okay. So yeah, it's so soft. This feels like a good blanket. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I got this, because this is actually gonna warm you up. And if you wear like this under a hoodie or long sleeve, bandana, scarf, and then when you go inside, you just take this off, kind of thing. So it looks fancy. It looks like I'm a rich trophy wife. Like if I have a sugar daddy, but except I'm the sugar daddy, because I got this myself. I say it like if it's so expensive, but it's really not. It's an average price. And it doesn't even count, because I got it like half the actual price. But whatever. Anyway, let me try to feel like a boss. Oh no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, oh, my throat is not hurting not so much anymore. Maybe because I'm getting distracted. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and look, this is how it looks with the cap. I probably wouldn't wear this with this, to be honest. More like a beanie. Hold up, I found my beanie. Like this. Yeah, with this it looks better. This looks better more with this. This fell. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here. Oh, let me put this on. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.